how to reinstall OneDrive on Windows 11. So OneDrive is basically like an external application that comes installed with your Microsoft Windows, and it helps you back up your data more easily. But if you uninstalled it due to some reason and then you want to reinstall it again, it's quite simple to do so because you just have to go ahead and then open up your Microsoft Store. Once you open up your Microsoft Store, from the top of the search bar, simply search for OneDrive. Then once you search for OneDrive app, you'll find OneDrive official one over here. Then all you have to do is to simply click on the Get button here, and then OneDrive will begin reinstalling, and all the functions related to OneDrive on your Windows will also be restored. And this way you can reinstall OneDrive on Windows 11. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial. And as always, see you soon in the next video.